Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the no GPS showing approximate location error in Waze. If Waze is not detecting your exact location or keeps displaying this message, don't worry. Here are several solutions you can try to get your GPS work again. First, make sure your location services are enabled on your phone. Open your device settings, tap location, and confirm that location is turned on. For the best results, enable precise location if your device supports it. Next, check Waze location permission. Go to settings, find Waze, tap permissions or location, and make sure it's set to allow while using the app or allow all the time. This allows Waze to access your GPS whenever you need navigation. After that, toggle your phone's GPS off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This refreshes the GPS connection and can fix temporary location issues. You should also make sure your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection is working properly because Waze needs an internet connection to load maps and update your location accurately. If the error still appears, restart your phone, then open Waze again. Also, check for any available app updates since installing the latest version can resolve GPS-related bugs and improve overall performance. Finally, disable battery saver or power saving mode while using Waze, as these features can restrict GPS access and cause the app to show only an approximate location. And that's it. That's how you can fix the no GPS showing approximate location error in Waze. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.